Today we have this model available for sale. Link in the description. This is a Trackmaster 2 Talking Thomas on green livery. So I painted green, including the wheels, and the stickers are shiny. Look at that. So this one is LBSC 70 Origins Toma and Trackmaster 2, and it does work. Requires 2 batteries, not included, and it talks. This one is, I think, is the interactive model with Percy, but this Percy is not included. Only this model is available for sale.
Cinders and ashes. No time for delay. No time for delay.